create, draw, learn, and explore with the Interactive Learning Easel from LeapFrog. This 2-in-1 interactive wooden easel gives kids a fun new way to combine learning the alphabet, shapes, and drawing.
Use your imagination and let the art flow.
Little ones can use the included erasable marker to draw on the whiteboard, or clip on paper to make shareable art. Or draw with the included chalk and trace letter and shape magnets. Little learners can enjoy open-ended and guided activities to encourage creative play.
Place the blue shape on the board. It's a rectangle. Let's draw it.
Guided art activities include creating art with dots, lines, and shapes, as well as encouraging kids to draw in time with rhythmic music. Place the letter magnets into the reader to hear letter names, sounds, and words.
E. This letter is green.
The attached interactive touchbook features inspirational images for every letter of the alphabet to educate and inspire creativity. Introduce your toddlers and preschoolers to a world of creative thinking and learning through art with the Interactive Learning Easel from LeapFrog.